center line. You can see center line, center line. Grip. If I can control this center line, for example, you can see you break balance. You break balance. If you want to break this center line, use your pulling hand. Pulling hand that your left hand that grip this sleeve. You can see relationship between hand and paper drawing techniques. So the center line has relationship with shoulder and hip. If you can move hip, you can see you break balance. You can if you move you break his shoulder, center line you break balance as well. That means forward. Backward, for example, also carry. This is center line. You can see center line. If hit shoulder or hit, you break balance. So that means it also carry. For example, also carry. If you want to control the opponent, you have to put your feet same parallel with the opponents, and you push forward to make each shoulder or your teeth go over the center line. Yep. One, two, three. You can see his shoulder has the center line. That means you can throw also carry. The problem is most students put the legs not same parallel on this. What happens? The shoulder cannot pass the center line. You can see I cannot throw. Like this. Right. It is in the right. So in battery situation or competition match, righty is slightly forward. The center line with this. You can see. If I break him forward, he doesn't break because he can transfer the weight on this. So the center line change to that side. You see the center line that I can throw you. I can throw it. In backward as well. The center line change of this. You can see. Alright. In let's say situation, let's say forward. Center line change as well. That is